What if I told you that for over 160 years we followed criminal laws written by the British? But now, India's criminal justice system has changed. Those colonial laws were finally erased and replaced by 3 new Indian laws. These new laws have changed everything, from how FIRs are filed to how your WhatsApp chat can now be used as evidence in court. So let's break them down. What's new? What's removed? And how does it affect you? Part 1. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. This law replaces the old IPC and brings in new offences that were never clearly defined before. It adds 20 new crimes, removes 19 outdated ones, and updates punishment for over 30 existing offences. Mob lynching is now a specific offence, punishable under Section 1032 with life imprisonment or even the death penalty in severe cases. Terrorism is now clearly defined under Section 113 and can be punished with death or life imprisonment. Hit and run causing death now carries a sentence of up to 10 years under Section 1062. Spreading fake news or digital rumors that cause violence is now a punishable offence under Section 353. First time, community service is introduced as a legal punishment under Section 4F for petty crimes.
Part 2. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 replaces the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. How police investigate and courts process a case. Key new procedures in Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Section 173 allows FIRs to be filed online or via video recording. Legal notices, charge sheets and summons can now be sent via WhatsApp, email or SMS. For the first time, home arrest is allowed under Section 43, especially for the elderly or non-violent suspects. Part 3. Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 replaces the Evidence Act, defines what counts as proof in court. Section 61 recognizes WhatsApp chats, emails, screenshots, CCTV footage and even cloud backups as primary evidence. Electronic signatures, metadata, and server logs are now legally valid. Witnesses can testify via video call. No need to travel. Courts can now issue digital summons and warrants, and IT experts can verify electronic records during trials. From mob lynching laws to online FIRs, from community service sentences to digital proof, the system is now faster, sharper, and more Indian than ever before. But here's the most important part. These laws only protect you when you understand them. So share this video and let's create a more legally aware India. Because justice begins with awareness.